Track. There's all the four-wheel drives. Oh, it's actually chilly.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I'm sweating like a pig, so I need to get a fresh air.
Yeah, I put the jersey on, so that was it, wasn't it?
Yeah. That's it.
Holland Track.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's rough. Oh, this is cool. Whoa, slappy sticks straight away.
Yep.
The wheel tracks. G'day guys, Chronicles of Solid here, and welcome back to part 2 of the Holland Track adventure, and let's just jump straight into it.
Oh, it's definitely going to be a challenge, like a physical challenge.
Yeah, I think, oh.
Fucking hell, that flower.
Oh, man. Oh. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm trying to stay in them, but...
Interesting, yeah.
Whoa. Yeah. I'm trying to, like, stay in the wheel track, but I mean, clipping branches and...
Yeah. Oh, filming, so I got a little bit of that. I opened inwards by the look of it to me.
Son of a whore.
Yeah, I'm not getting off because I can't barely get back on. Yeah.
Ah! You're kidding.
Trust your wheel.
Yeah.
Oh wait, get back wheels off the ground almost. Yeah.
It's alright. There we go, ladies.
Yeah, okay.
Someone else gonna, yeah, cheers. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a mission, isn't it?
It will be. Oh geez, it's gonna be a long day.
There's like no margin for error too, like no runoff. Yeah. Well, and we got a big rut coming up.
Oh yeah.
Well, didn't choose that well. Like kangaroos. Oh, they just off to the right there, see? Okay. Now what?
Oh yeah, go across it.
Cross
apparently.
over.
Okay, just make it this road. Oh, so it looks like a mining or a haul road or something.
Yeah.
That's probably what the dust cloud was. Yeah.
Oh, that sand.
It's okay if it's like this. I can't. Yeah, this isn't bad. Oh, I shouldn't have spoken.
Yeah, it's getting better. But better, I mean worse.
Shit! Power!
Yeah.
Shit! Fuck!
Yeah.
Shit! Fuck! Okay, no more there, that's enough. No more there.
Yeah, it's getting worse. Yep. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, shit.
second for me.
Oh, my goodness.
This stuff would present the biggest challenge of the day. While it's not the deepest sand we've done by far, just having all that weight on the back just meant we couldn't skim through it, and there's no margin for error. If you skip off this little wheel line, you're done in. And so it was quite fatiguing trying to concentrate and stay in this little wheel track. Just when I thought it ended, it gets even worse. Whoa! I was almost lost it then. Alright?
Yeah, alright.
I think tyre pressure time.
Yeah. Fuck. This is not what's happening today. Need a hand? Yeah.
Yeah, you're actually good. You're probably better off staying in the left-hand track because your left hand.
That's what I've been doing.
Yeah, but you're fine. Looks like your bars are about the same. Oh well, you're in front now, Jeff. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. I see what they mean about the cranks to catch your
Slappy sticks. Whoa,
yeah.
like that. Wheel it up.
Your bike is handling this great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not, but the bike is. Whoa. Yeah, just look ahead, stop looking straight down.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been doing that. Yeah. Yeah, okay, maybe not so much on the 1190 for this.
Spoke too soon, full of confidence before we got going. That's why I was like...
Another gutter on the corner.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Mark's been thinking a lot lately about getting a KTM 1190 Adventure R for these adventure trips, but he quickly changed his mind. With these tight tracks, he was happy he was on his light 690.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's much easier to suffer on the highway.
Yeah, I have to agree with that.
Whoa!
Because it's not, the suffering is not a skill issue, it's just putting up with the low speed. True, yeah. Or revving your engine, it's not a skill thing. Yeah. You're just grabbing the throttle through this. Exactly. Balance, throwing your body around. Yeah. I must stick my head up every now and then.
Ow! I just hit a bird. Ow! I just hit a bird.
Oh, you killed it.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh no! I killed a bird.
Oh, no. What's that thing, Hail Mary for a vegan?
Maybe I just knocked him out.
Maybe. Poor thing.
Yeah. Well, I didn't mean it.
No, it'll be food for something else.
You're not making me feel better. That's really epic.
Yeah, this is nice.
Man.
Very nice.
Fine looking ahead and just making yourself do it.
Yeah.
Helps immensely. One of the biggest challenges on the Holland Track for us was just the constantly changing terrain. Normally you do get a little bit of a break to catch your breath on regular trails, whereas here you just don't know what's coming around the next corner, so you never really get to relax, which makes for great challenging riding, but it is very mentally fatiguing. Look at that rut, it's so big you could just ride through it.
Yeah.
That's a trench.
Yeah, it's going to change it, like I say, it changes the layout. Yeah, right. Nice save.
Thanks. Yeah. Whoa. I was like, look at that, here's a massive rock.
Oh my god, that was huge. Is that a mobile phone tower?
Where?
Off to the left, up ahead of it.
Radio tower, maybe.
Yeah.
One of the highlights of the trip was the views. The views are absolutely spectacular. The horizon just goes forever, and the wildflowers were really putting on a show. It was very beautiful.
So imagine when they cut it with like horse and cart. Was it horse and cart or was it just horse and cart?
Horse and cart, it was 1890s.
Oh, there you go.
Chickens!
Oh, this one, there you go, test your theory. Yeah, Mark? No, don't say that. Oh, okay, I will. You ready? Oh, come and take the footage.
We all live in an orange submarine.
There's another one.
Oh.
Plenty of opportunities to...
There's a chicken shack for the chicken
Oh, no.
track.
Why, yeah. Even that's got one off. A B line and a C line.
C for chicken.
Jeez. Still going.
Yeah. Well, stick.
So this is quite surprisingly, I'd say it's enough of a challenge. I wouldn't want it to be much worse, but yeah, so distance. I'm still waiting for this really hard sand towards here.
Yeah, same here.
That wasn't hard sand that we've had for time. Yeah. I don't know, maybe, you know, it just gets worse or, you know, different times this year it's a lot better, I don't know. Whoops. Oh yeah. I'm in it now.
Whoa.
Yeah, my front wheel slipped into it, then
I just followed because I was like, fuck it. Let's see how we go. There's nowhere to look to. Oh, yeah.
Good catch. That's why I don't stand. My leg acted as a third wheel there. Yeah. That's safe. Shut my foot a bit though.
You're right.
Yeah.
Whoa. I almost went down there. How's my bag?
It didn't move. It's all in its top.
Jeez, that was close. I did a Jeff there. Oh, Rocky. Something.
If you're wondering what the camping spots are like along the Holland Track, they're absolutely everywhere. Every, say, 10 kilometres there's a spot like this that just opens up, and there's lots of tracks off to pitch a tent or park your four-wheel drive, so you need not worry about space. The heat caught us out on the Holland Track because it jumped from about 22-24 degrees all the way to 32 to 34 degrees. And I know what you're thinking, I'm an Aussie, I should be used to the heat, and I am.
Yeah.
But when you're riding off-road and it's been cold all winter and suddenly you get a 10-degree jump, you really do start to feel it, rather than getting acclimatized through spring. So we were feeling the heat a bit today.
Yeah.
That centre line was like a skinny at the mountain bike skill part. Yeah, where you get up on the log and it goes down to a turn. Oh yeah, they call them skinny. And you sort of got to balance it right on the edge. Yeah.
I just took one of the ruts and decided to get bounced everywhere.
It is hard to change direction.
Yeah.
With weight.
Must be a bird watch lookout thing.
No, it's a mound. It's a bird mound. Oh, what are they called? What those fowls that are...
Or whatever.
What's that word? Yeah. But you check out the size of the mound. Yeah.
That's huge.
Yeah, they're really rare or something. And it was on one of those videos on YouTube.
Yep. Wow.
I'd say this is worse than our typical undaring bloody
Yeah, I'd say.
Worse has been harder.
Yeah. Yep.
Probably the bike on this one. Oh, that is a fucking big hole.
Jesus.
That's ridiculous. It was excavated. Yeah. I think the bottom of the car did.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell with this camera, but some of those holes are seriously deep.
No wonder one of my straps broke.
Water and front wired into that. Yeah. I wonder how many like Enduro guys have a hook. Yeah. It's just hit it.
Oh. It's in third gear, I think.
Yeah.
I'd say so.
You wouldn't want it any hotter, you wouldn't want it any wetter. Okay, this is a bit of a challenge for you. Yeah, that's the thing too, it's a trade-off because we set up, packed up camp, and everything was pretty much dry apart from here, a bit of condensation. Yeah. If it was raining and muddy and shit, it'd be horrid. Yeah, everything was muddy and day too. Yeah. Yeah. And they got families and kids and stuff there, so. Oh, the left front,
Yeah, right wasn't any better.
the centre is boggy, yeah. I'm trying to get the centre of that stuff.
Whoa. Yep.
Yeah, we'll try. Especially if,
Whoa, I was looking at the GPS. Fuck
yeah,
me.
oh, no. If they I forgot to call it.
I was like pressing
Yeah.
on the.
I got those odd topo maps and it's saying we're at the top of the peak, 430 metres we're at.
Fuck me.
We're at the top of the hill.
That was pretty. Looks pretty soft there still a bit too. Wow, look at that view.
One with the dash point, yeah.
You can see here Jeff balancing between the two wheel ruts. It became a real challenge through the day to stay in the middle.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Fucking hell. Jeez, that was like nice edge.
That crackling you can hear is the centre's dropping out. Mark's just dropping back because he was having a bit of trouble in these sandy sections. And that's the mark of a smart rider, is to drop back and keep the pace that you're comfortable with rather than pushing on. Because later in this ride I actually take a fairly significant crash and I was riding a bit beyond my means when I really should have been just riding conservatively, especially considering how far out we were.
Much margin for error. Yeah, why not? There's a nice bit of shade right here.
Cool. I like it. I should have left my chair at easy access.
This open section was a welcome rest for us all. We had to spread out a bit because of all the dust again, but it was nice to get the breeze through the jacket and through the helmet to cool down a bit. Now, I've heard in a lot of reports that the Holland Track doesn't have much sand, and there is a bit of truth to that. There isn't much seriously deep sand like you would find at Two Rocks or in the sand dunes, but it is a lot of sand. There's at least 100 k's of just shallow sand like this, and while it's not usually a challenge on a unladen dual sport or enduro, once you put a lot of weight on the bike and factor in that you can't ride in the middle because it keeps shooting you off into the bushes, you can only stay on this one little track with your very wide bags, it becomes quite a challenge to stay upright, and ended up being the most taxing part of the riding for us, and why we keep complaining about the sand in this video. While it's not very deep, the amount of concentration it takes to stay upright is quite a lot, at least for a noob. You seasoned guys probably look at this and go, oh, that's nothing, but to new riders tackling the Holland Track, get a bit of sand practice and really work on your mental fitness.
We're about halfway.
You reckon? Okay.
Yeah.
Do it.
Off we go again.
Yep. Everyone got their helmets done up?
Yep.
Yep.
Sandy already.
Yeah.
Well, it didn't give us any respite, did it? Straight back into it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm feeling it.
Even going a bit faster, it's not really doing much for me. The air's warm, too. Pushes on the left and then pushes.
Fuck, that gets off there, doesn't it? I think we'll need to hold up for Mark in a sec. Yep. That's cool.
This is a spectacular view. You can just see the trail go on into the distance. But one of the things that also surprised us is our progress, and Mark and myself got a little concerned that we wouldn't be making enough time, which is something you need to kind of keep an eye on, is not to get in the frame of mind of I've got to make up Ks, I've got to make up Ks. Just stay slow and steady and you'll get through it.
Whoa. Rutted sand. Always a favourite with a dual sporter.
Okay, I got the video on this time.
This is Jeff up on top of Thursday Rock, and as you can see, another amazing view to be found on the Holland Track.
I don't think I'll even be able to see your bikes on the GoPro from this distance. Oh, there's one of those little...
Now you're probably wondering at this point why I'm showing Jeff footage and nothing of me, and that's because in the middle of the afternoon I had a pretty bad crash. I high-sided about 65 kilometers an hour and I landed bang on my head. The bike flipped and it landed on top of me, and I was hurting pretty bad, and I was that sore and that dazed that I couldn't even be bothered filming, which I'm really annoyed about now because I didn't get any good footage after this point, so that's why we're with Jeff. But I'll get into the mechanics of that crash and kind of what I learnt from the Holland Track and what worked and what I'd change and how it all happened in a debrief video coming up after this. After my crash, we decided to make the push into Coolgardie, which we made it just on dusk. It was pretty much dark by the time we pulled in, and we just stayed at a campground and I licked my wound. So the next video you'll see will be the next morning, and that's the last bit of video I recorded for the trip. So I will make a video after this in my garage going through everything in detail for you guys. And as always guys, like, share and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next adventure. See you later. Here are the bikes. We're just in Coolgardie. We're about to do the big long run home. I think we got 572 kilometres today. It's going to be a big day on the highway. We're looking forward to it, aren't we?
Not with
Yeah.
12 front retaining.
And it's all my fault too, but I'll get into that when I get back home. Catch you guys on the road.